Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for AVAX. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. And the first key level we can notice is our monthly swing high. Now we can also plot in our swing low here, as we see price acting as support, and we see price reacting to the level right now. So we can also plot in a key level right here. As we see price came up, acting as resistance, and as price reversed from the top, we see price acting as support here. So now let's hop into the weekly. And we can see more clearly how price reacted to this level. So here we have a reaction and another reaction with multiple wicks acting as resistance. Now on our most recent price action, we can plot in this swing high right here. And as we notice, it kind of lines up with this right here, acting as support. So we can fine tune our monthly key level. And we notice key levels all in here. So as price came up, reversed, now acting as support. Right here, acting as support, and we see multiple long wick candles rejecting the level before a fake out as price reversed drastically to the downside. So, these are all of our key levels plotted on the chart, except for one I just missed. We see a key level here on the weekly, where we see reactions from this long wick acting as resistance, and we see multiple reactions acting as support to this level. Now, that is all of our key levels. If you guys enjoyed the video and got any value from it today, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.